Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change time zone in Wellfound. So let's get straight into it. First thing, log into your profile, then head over to your profile picture, select, and then edit profile. And now we will navigate here to the About or Location section. And what we need to do now, here we will update our primary location to current city where we are. So Wellfound uses this data to show recruiters your current time zone and availability. So right here, you can change your location, and with that, you will also change your time zone. And that's basically it. When you are done with that, just save it. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next